I'm going to take this email, which has also come from the National Capital Region. Mahabir Singh says, last year I booked, that's 2011, I booked a villa in Amrapali Dream Valley project, estimated 1700 square feet at 3,000 rupees per square feet. With the Noida farmers' agitation and all the negative publicity surrounding it, I'm bound to reconsider my decision. Your advice will be highly appreciated. What should I do? Should I stick around or exit? You know, it's such a catch-22 situation. We ran that big story yesterday. Even now, I mean, NCR Planning Board will definitely give an approval by the month end. But will the builders be able to execute in time? How much will it be delayed? All of that is a big question mark.
Yes, absolutely right. We definitely think the amount of sales that have happened in Noida Extension, approximately 1 lakh units odd, you're looking at severe delays over there. The developers over there do not have that kind of execution bandwidth. So if they are committing to you 2 to 3 years, please take that with a pinch of salt and look at add on a year or two to that. Having said that, the last booking price of your property was 4,100 rupees a square feet, so translating into a CAGR of about 22%. I know you will find it very difficult to find a buyer, but if you can sell at a slight discount to this price, you would have made your money and you would have gotten exit. That is what is more important over here. We would definitely recommend you to stay on the Noida Expressway side. All the projects that we would recommend to you are under construction. Noida Expressway is going to be a great market to be in, although the supply is a lot, but it's going to be the best market with respect to Noida. So that's what we would recommend. Total projects 57, supply is 38,994 units, availability is 7856. Inventory overhang 12 months is with respect to sectors in 74 to 78 and 117 to 121. Weighted average price 4,262 rupees a square feet, so quite affordable. And the Amrapali group, also the project that you have in is very far off. So the projects that we are recommending are much closer. Price appreciation trends 24% over the last 2 years or 11.4%. Recommended projects: Pratishtha by Panchsheel Builders, Sector 75, 4,000 rupees a square feet. 2014 is the completion year that they are estimating. Availability from the developer: Ajnara Grand Heritage by Ajnara India, Sector 74, 4,300 rupees a square feet. 2014 again is the completion year. Available from the resale market. And Cape Town by Supertech, Sector 74, 4,500 rupees a square feet. 2013 is the completion year and available from the resale market. This is a part of a 50-acre township.
I, we feel so sympathetic towards everybody who's got, locked into flats, units. They've paid up the booking amounts. They've seen an appreciation, but getting out is also not going to be very easy.
Sure.
Buying new flats is a very expensive proposition in that area. So it's a catch-22 situation, but we are recommending if you can get out, even at a discount, Noida Extension is where you have a flat. You might just go ahead and do it and look at some other options. Pratishtha by Panchsheel Builders is the first option. Ajnara Grand Heritage by Ajnara India, that's another one you could look at. And Cape Town by Supertech is the third project on the list when it comes to that area. We're saying stick around with Noida Expressway. Don't yet bite into it. At least if you're a new buyer, don't look at Noida Extension right up front.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.